Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine for those of you guys that are new here today, and for those of you guys that are returning subscribers, welcome back, baby. In today's video, I will be unboxing the November IPSY GLAM bag. IPSY went ahead and sent me the glam bag for the month of November, and boy, am I excited. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox that for you guys. I think I am gonna do this once a month for my IPSY box subscription. So if you guys would like to see those, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can continue to see those every single month. Okay guys, so this month's glam bag theme is be present. I love that. So it says, #blessed this month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on the little things, you'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful. Oh, I love that so much because obviously Thanksgiving is in November, so I definitely understand why they chose this theme. I'm literally in love. I actually really love like the color scheme for this month. So these are the bags. I'll show you guys those first. This is the first one. It's such a cute little pouch. It has kind of like that pink IPSY color on the little tag for the zipper, and then it has a brown, a nude, and a navy. I love these bags, you guys. You know how much I love them. I feel like they're just perfect for like when you travel and like just to put things in your purse. Easy. So that's the first bag. And then the second one is the same color scheme, but instead of the nude color, it has pink as the big part and then the brown and the navy, and it's just a cute little bag like this. Again, great for traveling. So when you guys order the IPSY GLAM bags, you're not only getting like great products, but you're also getting good little travel bags, because listen, when I be traveling, I do not like my stuff to be having the chance of like spilling all over my clothes or makeup, messing up or nothing, but these little bags keep it safe and sound. So yeah, y'all. So now let's get into the products. So I don't know where to start. I feel like this month's products are so good. Okay, we'll just start with this one because it's right here and it's so cute. So first we have the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. You guys, this is so cute and tiny for one. And second is Glow Recipe. Like, y'all know Glow Recipe has some good quality skincare products. Let me smell it. It smells like banana pudding. Low key, I wanted to lick this so bad. Lick the top. It smells great. I feel like that'll be really nice for like under eye. Like, you know what I mean? Like when you get dryness under eye, just because it's such a cute little small one. So I don't really want to use this on my whole face because I feel like I'll go through it really quick. But like to put this underneath your eyes, does it say? No, but it has magnesium, centella, acetica, and turmeric in it. So this should be really good for brightening the skin as well with hydrating. Love that. Ooh, y'all, and next we got the Tatcha Deep Cleanse. The Deep Cleanse, that's what it's called. Look at this. It says clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. Perfect, because I got oily skin over here. And you guys know, well, maybe you don't know, but Tatcha, they're expensive. So the fact that I'm getting this in my little IPSY GLAM bag, really perfect. I love it. I can't wait to use this because y'all, people who use Tatcha like rave about how great it is. So I really want to try this out. IPSY, thank you for going ahead and sending these things over because your girl's already excited off those two alone. Next we have Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. Let's see what shade this is. It's in the shade Moon Jelly. What does that look like? I'm guessing like a clear. Yep, exactly what I thought it'd be. It's like a iridescent clear. So I feel like it swatch clear, but it has a little like, yep, purple flecks, purple and pink flecks. That's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a really pretty color, and I feel like this is gonna be like a really pretty topper. Like if you do like any lip color, but you just want like a little bit of color into it without it being too much, like this would look really cute over a nude, I feel like. All right, so next we have this Ico Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. It's just like a cute little mini tube. So I feel like this would be perfect to like keep in a purse or like in like a travel bag or overnight bag or something. I don't know why I always smell mascara. I don't know why I do that, but it smells like regular mascara. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna be keeping this one probably in my purse. Ooh, I love this. So we got Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. IPSY be coming with, I'm sorry y'all, IPSY be coming with the heat. Like they gave me all high-end brands. What? This is such a cute like little bottle. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this smells so good. It's in the Fresh Pressed shade color. This smells like, you guys remember the Smackers? Or was it Smackers or Smuckers? No, Smuckers is jelly. The Smackers, the lip Smackers. You guys remember them, right? Like they used to smell like watermelon and cherry and pink lemonade. That was my favorite, a little pink lemonade. This smells like those. Like, oh my God, I literally want to lick it. Everything in here is like really like fruity and smells really great, but I can't wait to use this. I don't want to put it on my lips right now just because I have like some lipstick on, lip gloss. But this, I just feel like this is gonna like moisturize my lips so well. You guys, I am so geeked to use every single one of these things, okay? If y'all have not subscribed to IPSY yet, go ahead and do that, okay? If you guys haven't seen my October unboxing for IPSY, go ahead and check that out. I give all the like details about subscribing to IPSY and like what different packages there are, how much it can be, and all that type of stuff in that video. I'll link it down below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. It's in the first part of the video. From here on out, I don't think I'm really going to be talking about like the intricacies and the details of how to go about getting IPSY. You can go ahead and do that digging for yourself. But yeah, just want to let you know, if you don't really understand what IPSY is, go ahead and check out that video. It'll be linked below. Okay, y'all, and next we got the Violet Voss 6 color eyeshadow pressed pigment. I love Violet Voss eyeshadows. I use their Essentials palette all the time. This is, I did not know that this was like their packaging. Like, I don't know, I just feel like this doesn't really look similar to the Essentials palette, but it's cute. Oh, ooh, look at those colors. I can't wait to use these. This little coral color I feel like would be really pretty like on the lid. Oh, this is just like a really basic palette. Like I feel like these colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, you could use like every day to create like a really basic look, and then you can kind of dig into these. Really, you could use this color to use it like an everyday look too, and then this color obviously you might, I mean, I don't know, maybe you would want to wear that color every day, but cute, right? Okay, next we have some brushes. These are by Farrah. There's 5 different brushes. I'm not gonna take them out of the packaging just because I'm being really lazy right now. But yeah, they're just some eyeshadow blending brushes. I feel like these are really aesthetically pleasing. Like I've never seen a silver brush before, like completely silver. That's really cute. I can't wait to use these. I'm always in need of eyeshadow brushes and I mean any type of makeup brushes in general, so love that. Okay, we have another brush here. This is by MOTD? I don't know. I'm so confused. It says a perfect 10 and then it says MOTD, makeup of the day. Is that a brand, makeup of the day? I don't know, but this brush is really soft. I don't know what I would use this brush for. I feel like I'd want to use this brush for like powder. You could use it for blush too, I guess. I don't know. This is just a soft brush. I'm gonna just go like this all over my body. It feels good. I don't think there's been any misses yet. Every single product I've unboxed so far is on point. Okay, so the next one we have Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I'm gonna open it up. The package looks like this. Oh, okay, winking at me, a little winky face right here. Okay, hey. Ooh, I've heard good things about Kate Somerville too. A lot of people like rave about her skin care products. I really want to try this. Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Let me smell it. Goat milk. Woo. Woo. Ooh, it's like kind of watery, but that makes me believe that it's like really moisturizing. It doesn't smell weird. So I instantly thought like, cause it was goat milk, it was gonna smell like, I don't know, dairy-like, but I'm sure it doesn't really have like that much goat milk in it because otherwise, wouldn't you have to refrigerate this? So it just must somehow be, yeah, blended into the products. Maybe they're proteins, goat milk proteins. Oh, yeah, milk proteins and jojoba and avocado oils. So yeah, it's not actually goat milk in here, guys, but goat milk proteins. Okay, next we have Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara by Trestique. Whoa, what the heck is this? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared of this. What is this? Flip down to curl. Flip down. Oh my goodness! So this is a lash curler. Look, you pull this little lever down and it curls your lashes in here. So like, I think you would do it like this. You put your lash in it and then you just bloop and it curls your lashes like a normal lash curler. But from my understanding, yes, from my understanding, there's a mascara built in. Wow. This is low-key amazing. Trestique. I think that's how you say it. Wow, they kind of did this. This is really innovative. Okay, I feel like this is what you want to have in your makeup bag, travel bag, whatever. You want to have this in there so that you can get your mascara and a lash curler in one little like package deal. Like, you know what I mean? You don't have to like pack both. Have, you know, sometimes room is limited when you're traveling and like, you know, that we got a lot of stuff in our purses. So sometimes we don't have room for everything. But this is just one little cylinder and it got both things. That's really cool. I would use this right now, but got on falsies. And yeah, this is so cool. You just do this and then the thing goes up and it curls a lash. Wow, I've never seen anything like that in my entire life. I think that's amazing. Okay guys, so we're on to the last thing. I got a pack of 3 of the Farrah Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigments. So this is the same brand that those brushes were, Farrah. I've never heard of them before, but they look like good quality like liquid lipsticks. It looks like they're all like red tones. They're in the shades Farrah, Cocoa, and Tiffany. I'll take them out of the packaging. First of all, like this packaging is really beautiful. Let's just look at it. This is some really pretty packaging and they feel really heavy. Ooh, okay, I think I'm just gonna take out one because it's kind of hard to open because they have like tape on it and I have nails on right now. But look at the packaging on this, you guys. It has like the acrylic like plastic on the outside, so it kind of really looks like this is like glass. And then it has Farrah on one side and it says Matte Boss Liquid Pigment, and this is in the one Tiffany that I opened. And I really like this color. Ooh, and they smell like coconut. I've never smelled that in a matte liquid lipstick before. It smells like coconut, a little pina colada. I like that. Let me swatch it for you. Is that, ooh, that's kind of sloppy. I couldn't see what I was doing, but look at it. It's a really pretty color. I feel like that'll be really, really, really pretty for like a Thanksgiving lip. Wow, that's really beautiful. Now, you know what? I'm gonna open all the other ones because I feel like I want to see all the other colors. Let's do Cocoa next. Okay, so next is Cocoa, the same packaging. And I'm gonna put that right next to it. Wow, I'm really loving these shades. This one is more of like a, I would say like a red clay color. And then this one is, I don't know, I love this first color though, but this is like a red clay, the second one. Ooh, baby. Then the third one is in the shade Farrah, and it's like a pure red. I want to see, wow. This is a really, 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 really pretty red. You guys see how bright that is? With like a lip liner and like putting that on your lips, I feel like that is really such a statement shade. I love these colors, you guys. This whole color family is really pretty and definitely on my alley. Like as crazy as I go will be like a red or something like that, but they're all pretty muted colors. I love it. And yeah, you guys, that's gonna complete this unboxing. I tried to go through it like fairly quick. I didn't want to take forever, but as you can see, there are so many amazing products in this. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. If you guys want to check out IPSY subscription boxes for yourself, I'm going to leave a link for you down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out, see what's right for you, and go ahead and get your hand on some goodies like these. Again, thank you to IPSY for sending me this box. I'm in love and I really appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.